I'm going to show you how to make one of the star dishes of K-food. Fried chicken coated in a sweet, salty and spicy sauce and with roasted peanuts. It's called Dakgangjeong. Start by preparing 2 pounds of chicken wings. Cut them in two. Put them in a large container. Season them with half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of ground pepper. Mix well and let rest during the preparation. Shell half cup of roasted peanuts. Rub to remove their skin and blow. Chop 6 cloves of garlic. Grate a piece of ginger to get 1 tablespoon. Prepare 6 dry chilies. Also prepare 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. For the chicken coating sauce, in a bowl, put half cup of rice syrup. If you don't have any, you can replace it with honey. Add 3 tablespoons of white rice vinegar, 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of mustard. Mix well. Add a half cup of potato starch with the chicken and mix. To get a very crispy fried chicken, we make a double frying. The oil is hot at 340 degrees. You can check by dropping small pieces of chicken starch mixture. If they immediately rise to the surface and start frying, the oil is at the right temperature. Add the half of the chicken wings to maintain the temperature of the oil. Let fry for 10 minutes over high heat. Stir from time to time for even cooking. Take them out and place them on the rack. Do the same with the other half. After the first frying, let them rest for 5 minutes. This allows moisture from the skin to evaporate and the temperature to drop. Meanwhile, put the roasted peanuts in the oil for 20 seconds. This intensifies their flavor. Drain them. Continue to heat the oil over high heat so that the temperature rises to 340 degrees. Put all the wings in the oil, heated over high heat for 10 minutes, stirring from time to time. This second cooking allows to obtain a very crispy outside crust and keeping the flesh juicy and well cooked. Take them out. In a pan heated over high heat, put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the garlic and ginger. Regularly stir. As soon as a good scent rises, add the dry chilies. Stir for 10 seconds. Add the chili flakes. Stir for 10 seconds. Add the coating sauce. Stir and let heat up. As soon as it starts to boil, turn to low heat and let thicken for about 6 minutes. Stir from time to time. The flavors mix, concentrate, and the caramel forms. Add the chicken and the peanuts. Stir for 30 seconds. The chicken pieces are coated in sauce. Add the 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame seeds. Briefly stir and turn off the heat. Dakgangjeong is ready. You can enjoy them as an appetizer or as a complete dish with rice. The chicken is flavorful, with a texture that is both crispy and sticky. It has a delicious balance with sweet, salty and spicy. Bon appétit! The peanuts stuck to the skin goes very well with the taste of the fried chicken. The caramel layer keeps the wings crispy for 2 days. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.